Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This video is about headlight improvement for Tata Nexons. I bought a new Nexon a couple of months ago and I faced this issue that my headlights are not quite adequate when it comes to the low beam performance, especially on highways and when you're going fast, 80 to 90 kilometers per hour. So the beam is not adequate and potholes, you cannot see potholes, and so it becomes a little tricky and dangerous while you're driving. So I thought that we should do something about it. I don't want to go in for very expensive solutions, neither do I want to void my warranty. So what I've done is I've tried a couple of simple solutions that may help you as well, and I am pretty satisfied with the output that I've received. So I'm sure if you've owned a Tata Nexon, I'm sure that you've also felt this the same way. So without further ado, let's jump into the video. I will show you what I've done, and stay on till the end of the video to understand how you can make these changes to your own car as well without voiding the warranty and without spending too much of money on it. So let's go ahead and see the first scenario where I will show you the stock headlights, the output of the stock headlights.
With the fog lamps, I will turn the fog lamps off, so that's made a slight difference. You can see that the light has a nice cutoff, it's got a nice spread, but the distance is not that much. So it's barely going to a distance of about 15 to 20 meters ahead of the car.
So these are the Osram classic 80 watt 87 bulbs that I've put, and as you can see that the throw is much better. You can see there's much more illumination, so there's definitely an upgrade from the stock headlights. However, the throw is not quite as much as expected, so I'm going to try another modification and try the 80 watt rally bulbs.
See, the beam of the light is much brighter in this condition. This is the same place where I have tested the previous versions twice, and you can see here that the light spread is far better. The throw is also far better, and these are definitely ones that you should consider if you want to upgrade your headlamps.
Now here we go. So when you stack the videos on top of each other, you can immediately notice that there is quite a significant difference in the brightness and the quality of light that you see from the 80 watt rally bulbs that Osram supplies. So I haven't included the classic Osram bulbs because they weren't too much better than the stock bulbs, but the rally bulbs give you a hugely better improvement. So as you can see, there are nice illumination. In fact, I had also turned the fog lamps off when I was testing the rally bulbs, and this is just with the headlights, the illumination that you get at the lowest possible setting. So there's definitely an increase in light, and I would wholeheartedly recommend people to go and upgrade their bulbs to these Osram rally bulbs. Here is another scenario where I have tested these bulbs. I've parked the car in the same spot in my parking, and as you can see, I've tried to stack the videos over each other to show you the best possible comparison for these bulbs. Here again you can see that the Osram 80 watt rally bulbs are outperforming the others, but only marginally. So to conclude, this is an independent test done by an individual, which is myself, not promoting any brand or suggesting anyone to change their headlights. Please do not hold me responsible if your warranty is void. I find these headlights far superior than the stocks, and these are the ones I will be using in my car. If you face these same situations, please do comment in the comment section if you liked my video, if you've liked the the way I've portrayed the comparison. Please feel free to like, share and subscribe, and keep supporting me. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one.